Digital marketing is how businesses find and connect with customers online. Let's look at how this modern industry actually functions. At its core, digital marketing is simply reaching your target audience wherever they spend their time online. With over 5 billion internet users globally, the internet has become the most effective place for brands to tell their story. Marketers use various channels to reach you, ranging from search engines and social media to direct emails and paid advertisements. Unlike traditional billboards or TV ads, digital marketing allows for precise tracking and budget control in real time. Spending on digital advertising has exploded over the last few years as companies shift their focus away from offline media. Remember, the most successful campaigns aren't about being seen everywhere, but about being seen by the right people at the right time. Digital marketing is a vast field, but understanding these basics is a great start. Subscribe for more money basics and tech explainers.